With over 1,900 bird species, Colombia is world champion. Furthermore, we have more than 80 endemic species.
Travel with me through Colombia and experience the birdwatching trip of your life. Hello, my name is Frank. I'm Swiss from Zurich and came to Colombia in 2015. I traveled all over the country and today I can offer you fantastic birdwatching tours. Follow the link below and visit our website www.sula.com.co or contact us directly. If you want to know more about Colombia, visit our YouTube channel Colombiafrank. I'm looking forward to meeting you.